Ever wonder how to make your money work for you? How about considering mutual funds? Welcome to the world of mutual funds, an investment strategy that might just change your perspective on saving and growing your wealth. But first, let's unravel the mystery behind these financial instruments. A mutual fund is essentially a pool of money collected from multiple investors. This pooled money is then invested in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and other securities. The aim? To generate income or profit for the investors. Think of it as a potluck dinner where everyone brings a dish to share. But in this case, instead of food, you're sharing investments. The beauty of mutual funds lies in their diversity. They offer a wide range of investment options, from high-risk, high-return equity funds to low-risk, steady-income debt funds. And then there's the balanced or hybrid funds, which offer a mix of both. Managing a mutual fund is a professional fund manager's job. They are financial experts who decide where to invest the pooled money based on market research and analysis. They keep a close eye on market trends and adjust the fund's portfolio accordingly, aiming to provide the best possible returns to the investors. Now you might be asking, how does one make money from mutual funds? Well, there are three main ways. Firstly, through dividend payments. These are profits that the fund makes from its investments, which are then distributed among the investors. Secondly, through capital gains. This is when the fund sells an investment that has increased in value. Lastly, if the fund's overall value, also known as its net asset value or NAV, increases, the value of your investment will also rise. So, what are the key points to remember about mutual funds? 1. They are a pool of investments from multiple investors. 2. They offer a wide range of investment options to cater to varying risk appetites. 3. They are managed by professional fund managers who use their expertise to make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. 4. You can make money from mutual funds through dividend payments, capital gains, and an increase in the fund's NAV. And 5, like all investments, mutual funds come with their own set of risks. Therefore, it's essential to understand your risk tolerance and investment objectives before diving into this arena. So there you have it, a crash course in mutual funds. Hopefully, this has shed some light on how these financial instruments work and how they can potentially help grow your wealth. Remember, mutual funds are not a one-size-fits-all solution, but with a little research and maybe some professional advice, you can find the right fund that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of mutual funds. Until next time, keep exploring and keep investing wisely.